Civilizations do not rise on resources alone. They rise on movement. On Earth, trade routes built empires. Sea lanes determine power. Railways unified continents. On the Moon, transportation corridors will define civilization. Not borders, not flags, not territory movement. Every 100,000-hectare concession must integrate into a shared transport grid. There cannot be isolated industrial islands. Extraction without logistics is stranded capital. The Moon presents unique constraints. No atmosphere, extreme temperature swings, micrometeorite exposure. Radiation, which means transportation must be predictable, shielded, and standardized. The first corridors will not be highways. They will be pressurized tunnels or hardened surface lanes. Automated, robot-operated, energy efficient, think of them as arteries. Regolith hauling lanes, water ice transport routes, metal transfer lines, habitat supply conduits. Without coordinated planning, these routes will intersect chaotically. That chaos creates inefficiency. Inefficiency creates financial loss. Financial loss creates political pressure. So corridor mapping must precede extraction, not follow it. Every operator submits. Expected cargo volumes, frequency of movement, energy draw, required protection levels. These are integrated into a central lunar traffic architecture. And here is the critical principle. No corridor may be privately weaponized, meaning no single entity can restrict or tax access in a way that destabilizes the system. Usage fees may exist, blockades may not. Transportation infrastructure must be classified as shared utility, just as orbital lanes are governed internationally on Earth. Now consider time. Travel across 100 kilometers on Earth is trivial. On the Moon, it is exposure risk, radiation storms, equipment degradation, energy consumption, so minimizing distance between extraction, processing, and launch zones is essential. Industrial clustering becomes strategic. Clusters reduce risk, clusters reduce cost. Clusters increase resilience, and resilience prevents conflict. When transportation corridors are transparent, standardized and shared, there is no incentive to sabotage. There is no benefit in obstruction. Instead, operators compete on efficiency and innovation. This is how lunar civilization avoids repeating maritime piracy, canal disputes, and territorial choke points. Movement must remain neutral. Neutral corridors equals stable growth. Stable growth equals investor confidence. Investor confidence equals expansion. Without corridor governance, the Moon becomes fragmented. With it, the Moon becomes integrated.